Do you ever wish you could make money without constantly working? Imagine waking up to extra cash in your account. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally possible. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful passive income ideas that you can start today, whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur. And make sure to stick around till the end because the last idea has the potential to generate thousands of dollars per month. All right, let's dive in. Number 1, invest in dividend stocks. This is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for holding them. Here's how it works. Choose strong, stable companies with a history of consistent dividend payouts. Reinvest your dividends to compound your wealth over time. Use platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard to get started. Even with just a few $100s, you can start earning regular, passive income every quarter. Number 2, create and sell digital products. Digital products are an incredible way to make passive income because you create them once and sell them over and over again. Popular digital products include ebooks, share your knowledge on a topic you're passionate about. Online courses, teach a skill on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Printables, budget planners, workout guides, or business templates. Stock photos. If you're into photography, sell your pictures on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. There's no inventory, no shipping costs, and unlimited earning potential. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Getting started is simple. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page to promote products. Focus on products you genuinely love. Trust and authenticity lead to more conversions. Some affiliates make thousands of dollars per month just by sharing helpful product recommendations. Number 4, rent out your property or spare room. If you have extra space, turn it into a money-making asset. List your space on Airbnb or VRBO to earn rental income. Rent out your car on Turo when you're not using it. Lease out storage space in your home with Neighbor.com. Even if you don't own property, you can try rental arbitrage. Rent a place long-term and sublet it for a profit. Number 5, start a YouTube channel or blog. Content creation is one of the best long-term passive income strategies. It takes time to grow, but once your content ranks, it can generate income for years. Here's how you make money. YouTube, earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Blogging, monetize with Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and digital products. Podcasting, get paid through brand deals and listener donations. With just a few hours per week, you can build a scalable passive income business. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways to make passive income while you sleep. Passive income is all about working smarter, not harder. Whether you invest in stocks, create digital products, or rent out a spare room, there are so many ways to start earning today. Which passive income idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money-making tips. And don't go anywhere. The next video on your screen is packed with even more ways to boost your income. Click on it now, and I'll see you there.